It turns out that our Today search needs a little bit more work. Our database is hosted overseas, which means it's in a different time zone to the majority of our users. If they search for today in the afternoon, it would be the correct date. But right now, if they search for today in the morning, it will actually be yesterday's date, which isn't what we want. I've supplied you with the code that I used to fix this issue. If you go into your useful code file, at the bottom you should find a section that says Today Fixed Code. There's two steps here. In Banner Nav, we need both the JavaScript and our updated button. So copy that code, go into Banner Nav, and replace your Today button code with the code that you've just copied. What this code does is it uses JavaScript to retrieve the date where the user is, and we then invoke that JavaScript when we click the button. Once you've done that, you'll want to dive back into our useful code text, and I've given you some replacement text for the content in today.php. The most significant line in that is where we get the date in quite a different way to what we were doing before. And once that's done, you should be able to click the Today button at any time of day, either morning or evening, and the date should be correct. In an assessment situation, this would be the point where you take a good look at your planning and check that you've implemented all the features that you intended to implement. I haven't implemented 3 of the nice to haves, mostly because doing so goes well beyond what is expected at level 1. Congratulations on getting this far. Your next step should be to attempt the assessment.